It's the Asian Guy Gamer. It's the Asian Guy Gamer. It's the Asian Guy Gamer Show.
What up, Skylander hunters? Welcome back to another episode of the Asian Guy Gamer. Asian Guy Gamer. Asian Guy Gamer Show. Well, today it's an early bird special. Today is 7:41 a.m. Just dropped off Kyle at school. So, I'm gonna stop by Walmart. I gotta pick up some supplies as always. And I'm gonna do some Skylander hunting. Alrighty? We do some Skylander hunting. Try to find some Series 2, maybe to get some light core. I know they're on sale right now at Target for $8.99 for the Series 2 or whatever, or the non-light cores. So, $1 cheaper. That's good with me. Save a buck. More Skylander hunting in the future. So, I'm gonna stop by Walmart. It's open 24 hours. See what they got there. Pick up some supplies. And I do have a Facebook. Okay, it's been had it for 2 months now. So I'll put in the link below. My Facebook. If you wanna send me a friend's request, go ahead and I'll go ahead and accept it. But let's do this. Let's do some Skylander hunting in the morning. Early bird special edition. Brah! 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 Alright, we here at Walmart. I usually go running in the morning, but it's too freaking cold. So that's why I'd rather go Skylander hunting, because it's a little warmer. It rained last night. So we're gonna stop by Walmart and see what they got and buy some other stuff. Yeah. Right, see what we got. It's all the way in the back. Oh yeah. Pick up this guy. And I probably will pick up this guy. That's all the chance to get. Alright. We're gonna go to the toy section. I like toys too. Yeah. I also like toys. Let's see what they got. Here comes the Transformers. Where's the Transformers? Oh, here we go. Ooh, look at these. These are cool. Transformers. Here's some newer ones. Beast Hunters. Oh, Razorback. That looks pretty cool. Alrighty, so I got Light Core, Shroom Boom. You see that? And also Light Core, Jetpack. I already have these, but they weren't they're not light cores. So I decided to pick up some light cores because they light up. Pretty cool, right? Alright guys, that's pretty much it for my early bird special. Told you, I'm going to collect all the Skylanders Giants. I'm going to collect them all. You know, Series 2, light core, non-light core, don't care. I'm gonna click them all, little by little. Alright, so please help out the channel and the series by hitting the like button. And I'll see you guys in the future. Pew, 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 and happy hunting. Peace! Damn, you get a haircut.